Hey, the Skratch class is open! I am Jesus Skratch and this is Kodh, DJ and producer, and we are going to show you how to do the baby scratch. It's a fundamental technique that will help you in your more advanced scratches and in your mix. So get ready for a lot of fun and excitement. Now let's start! Okay, so the baby scratch is the foundation for many techniques, and it is very useful when it comes to mixing beats. So, to do the baby scratch, you take a sample on a record, or you take a sample on a file, and you find the starting point of it using a marker and a needle, like this. Or you can use the bar in serrato, for example. Now you place your hand at 9 o'clock. Imagine this is a clock. You have 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and 9 o'clock. So you put your finger at 9 o'clock and you press down lightly with your fingertip on the record or on your jog wheel, and you push everything from 9 o'clock to 11 o'clock. And you go back to 9 o'clock. You keep this rhythm. This is the baby scratch. Now let's do it with a beat. We need to find our counts. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the scratch, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll be back on a new one. So if you like this video, please hit
subscribe.